Hi guys, in today's video I'm making a classic creamy potato salad that is perfect for any meal, be it your barbecue, your gathering, or your Sunday meal, or just you enjoying yourself. So we'll start by peeling our potatoes. After peeling our potatoes, we're also going to boil our eggs. I like to put a bit of salt when boiling my eggs. It makes it very easy for me to peel. I'm going to boil my potatoes, boil my mixed vegetables with just salt. I'm going to chop or cut my peppers, red pepper and green pepper. I'm going to separate my yolk from my egg white. Put the yolk in a separate bowl. Guys, this is very easy to make it. The flavors are just something else. They are amazing. So here I'm going to be cutting my eggs in half so that it can make it easy for me to break them into small pieces. Guys, this is rich in texture. It is surprisingly very simple to make. I'm going to add my black pepper. So I have two types of black pepper, the crushed and then the one that's not crushed. I just used any. Then I'm going to add my mayonnaise. Make sure you add mayonnaise that's enough for the portion of the egg salad that you've put together. Mix it together until you have little bumps from your egg yolk. Then now it's time to mix everything together. I'll start by putting my potatoes. We leave no men behind. And then I'm going to put my steamed or boiled mixed vegetables. I bought the frozen mixed vegetables. You can either buy the fresh or the frozen. Either way, you boil with just water. So we're now going to add our egg white. Ooh, guys, this is something you need to try. Then we add our peppers. It's very simple, guys. It's a simple potato salad, but it has that twist and it's extra creamy. You get to experience every flavor. It is not messy. Oh, guys, you need to try this, and please do tell me what you think after trying this. So now we're going to take our salad cream mixture. So it's guys, I don't even know how to describe the salad. I actually saw it somewhere and I had to copy the recipe, and since then I can't stop making it. I am in love with it so much, such that it's now my go-to meal. I go to it when I want to barbecue. I go to it when I have friends. We usually go to bring and share. This is my bring and share. So you mix it together. Make sure the cream goes everywhere. And it's rich in flavor as well. This recipe would not disappoint. After trying this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And also tell a friend to be part of this family. Let's gain weight together. Though this is a very healthy meal. It is very healthy. So you guys, with this, we've got tips. This video just shows the tips, the ingredients. If you have other recipes you'd like me to try and show you within this journey that we are going together, please feel free to put it in the comment sections. If you also have corrections or things you'd like me to add in this potato salad, please feel free to say it in the comment section, because I am learning as well as you guys are. But guys, this potato salad, it hits in the right spot. Try it and let me know. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes, travel vlogs, lifestyle content. And please don't forget to hit the notification button so that you stay updated when we have another video or any other video coming up. You get to be the first to watch. I really love you guys, and I thank you for your support. See you next time.